How to connect HyperX Cloud III Wireless to Xbox. I'm going to tell you how to connect the HyperX Cloud III Wireless headset to your Xbox. Here's the thing. This headset does not support native wireless on Xbox consoles because Xbox uses its own wireless protocol. That means if you want to plug in the dongle directly, it won't connect. The only way you can use it on Xbox is through a wired connection with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Just plug the included cable from your headset into the Xbox controller's audio port and you'll get sound and chat features. If you want true wireless, you'll need to go with a headset that supports Xbox wireless natively, like the HyperX Cloud X or the Xbox wireless headset. But with the Cloud 3 Wireless, the only working solution is the wired option via controller.